Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to cover medieval history through the MCQ. This is part 1. I have already completed ancient history. You can watch them from the playlist. Okay. Watch this video till the end and make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Alright. Let's start. Question number 1. When Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh? When Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh? Option number C is the right answer. 712 AD. Question number 2. The famous historian who visited India with Muhammad of Ghazni was? Option number B is the right answer. Al-Biruni. Question number 3. Who defeated Muhammad Ghori for the first time? Option number B. Prithvibraj Chauhan is the right answer. Question number 4. In which battle Muhammad Ghori defeated Jaichand? In which battle Muhammad Ghori defeated Jaichand? Option number C. Battle of Chandawar, 1194 AD. Question number 5. Who was the founder of slave dynasty? Option number D. Qutbuddin Aibak is the right answer. 6. Who among the following established Delhi as the capital of Sultanate? Option number B is the right answer. Iltutmish. 7. Who was called a slave of slave? Option number D. Iltutmish is the right answer. 8. Who of the following was the first woman ruler of medieval India? Easy question. Option number A is the right answer. Razia Sultan. Question number 9. In whose reign Mongols were seen on the banks of Indus River for the first time? In whose reign? Option number B, Iltutmish is the right answer. Question number 10. Who among the following introduced the famous Persian festival Navroz in India? Option number A, Balban is the right answer. Question number 11. The market control system was introduced by? Option number C is the right answer. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 12. Which Sultan of Delhi was the first to charge ghari or house tax? Option number B, Alauddin Khilji is the right answer. 13. Which Sultan introduced new department Amir-e-Kohi? Option number C, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 14. The transfer of capital from Delhi to Daulatabad was ordered by? Option number D, Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 15. For the first time, the token currency was introduced in India by? Option number D, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 16. Ibn Battuta, the Moorish traveler or Morocco traveler, visited India during the reign of? Option number A, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 17. Which Sultan of Delhi had levied jizya on Brahmins? Option number B, Firoz Tughlaq or Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Same. 18. Agra city was founded by? Option number C, Sikandar Lodi. Question number 19. In which battle did Maharana Sangha defeated Ibrahim Lodi? Option number A, Battle of Khatoli in 1517. Question number 20. the Vijayanagar kingdom was founded by? Easy. Option number A, Harihar and Bukka. 21. The Ashtadiggajs were associated with which of the following rulers? Option number B, Krishnadev Raya. 22. Which among the following kings region Persian traveler Abdur Razzaq came to India? Option number C, Devraya II. 23. The famous battle held in 1565 is? Option number D, Battle of Talikota. 24. Which medieval king of India introduced the Ikta system? Option number A, Iltutmish is the right answer. 25. Who was the famous author of Kitabul Hind? Option number C, Al-Biruni is the right answer. The game of polo was introduced in India by? Option number D, Mughals is the right answer. 27. The city of Jaunpur was founded in the memory of? Option number B, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 28. Which among the following ruler abolished jizya first time? Option number D, Akbar is the right answer. 29. The Bahmani kingdom was founded in the year? Option number C, 1347. 30. Which of the following was birthplace of Guru Nanak? Option number C, Nankana Sahib. 31. The book Ramacharit Manas was written by? Option number A, Tulsidas is the right answer. 32. The first battle of Panipat was fought between? Option number D, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. 33. In which of the following battles Rana Sanga fought against Babur? Option number B, Battle of Khanwa. 34. In which language was Tujuki Baburi written? Option number C, Turkish. 35. Whose disciple was Khawaja Moinuddin Chishti? Option number D is the right answer, Khawaja Usman Haruni. 36. The Bhakti movement was started by? Option number A, Alwar Saints. 37. Who among the following was founder of the Bahmani kingdom in Deccan? Option number B, Hasan Gangu. 38. Amir Khusro, the parrot of India, was born at? Option number C, Patiali. 39. Who was the author of Tabakat-i-Nasiri? Option number C, Minhajus Siraj is the right answer. 40. Which Sultan built Alai Darwaja? Option number C, Alauddin Khilji. 41. Who among the following started Tanka silver coin? Option number C, Iltutmish. 42. Where was Shivaji Maharaj formerly crowned as Chhatrapati? Option number C, Raigarh is the right answer. 43. With whom the king Vijayanagara Krishnadev Raya fought the Battle of Golconda? Option number A, Kuli Qutub Shah. 44. Who among the following composed poems with the pen name Gulrukhi? Option number C is the right answer, Sikandar Lodi. 45. In which year did Taimurlang attack India? Option number B, 1398 AD. 46. Ghazi Malik was the founder of which dynasty? Option number A, Tughlaq. 47. Which one of the following kings of the medieval India began the public distribution system? Option number A, Alauddin Khalji is the right answer. 48. The Mongols under Genghis Khan invaded India during the reign of option number C, Iltutmish is the right answer. 49. When Humayun invaded Chunar Fort first time? (1532). Option number A is the right answer. 50. The pure silver rupia was issued by? Option number B, Sher Shah is the right answer. 51. Sher Shah was buried at? Option number B, Sasaram, Bihar is the right answer. 52. Which one of the following is a monument constructed by Sher Shah? Option number A, Qila-e-Kuhna at Delhi. 53. The Battle of Haldighati was fought in? Option number B, 1576 AD. That's all for today. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.